welcome to my channel. Today we will open the brand new KitchenAid. We bought it from Walmart just today. So let's open what's inside. This is it now. So we need this because this is locked, so we need to open like this and then pull up, then open this to take this off, and then take this out, and or you just open like this. And that's it. So if you put it back, key, put it back this. So right. Yeah, that's right. Then lock again. That's it, guys. This let me talk about the parts and features. This one called the attachment hub. This part called the motor head. This one, speed control here at the side. Speed control. Then this is the beater shaft, and this one what we call the flex edge. So this one is a bowl. This one is a wire whipped. You can exchange this. This one again. Like that. This one what we call the dough hook. So yeah. This is all the parts. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please don't forget to hit the bell so that you will never miss another video. Bye!